how you can simply go ahead and download DaVinci Resolve for free. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To download the DaVinci Resolve for free, all you need to do is head into the Blackmagic site. So it is going to be blackmagicdesign.com, just like that. Once you're in the Blackmagic Design site, all you need to do is click on products. And once you've clicked on products, you want to simply go ahead and click on DaVinci Resolve and Fusion software right over here. And you can click on the free version right over here. And you can simply go ahead and click on free download now, just like that. And then select your OS. So it could be anything that you prefer. So let's just say Mac for me. For obvious reasons, go ahead and enter all the details, click on register and download, and it will be downloaded. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.